everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Professor, your favorite place to learn simple and useful English.
Hi, friends. I'm William, and today's lesson is all about something very important, feelings.
Yes, talking about your feelings helps people understand you. It helps you make friends, solve problems, and feel better inside.
Many English learners don't know how to say what they feel. They only know, I'm happy or I'm sad. But English has many other easy ways to express feelings.
So in this video, we will teach you 15 simple sentences you can use to talk about your feelings in real life.
And we'll also give you examples, short dialogues, and practice tips. So stay with us till the end, because by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your feelings clearly and confidently.
Main lesson, sentences 1 to 5. Number 1, I'm happy today. Let's start with something positive. When you feel good, you can say, I'm happy today.
It's simple and polite. You can also add because to give a reason.
For example, I'm happy today because I passed my test.
Or, I'm happy today because the weather is beautiful.
Hi, William. How are you today?
I'm happy today because I finished my project early.
That's great. You deserve some rest. Number 2, I feel sad. Sometimes we don't feel happy. That's okay too. If you're not happy, you can say, I feel sad.
Notice we say, I feel sad. That's another common way to talk about feelings.
You can also say, I feel a little sad if it's not too strong.
Example, I feel sad because my friend moved to another city.
Sophia, you look quiet today. Are you okay? I feel sad. My cat is sick.
Oh no, I hope she gets better soon.
Number 3, I'm excited about. A stronger happy feeling is excited. You use this when you look forward to something.
You can say, I'm excited about, and then the thing.
Example, I'm excited about my trip.
Or, I'm excited about learning new English words.
William, how do you feel about the concert tomorrow?
I'm excited about it. It's my favorite band.
Me too. I can't wait. Number 4, I'm nervous. Now let's talk about a different feeling, nervous. You feel nervous when you are scared about something in the future, like a test or a job interview.
You can say, I'm nervous about,
For example, I'm nervous about my interview.
or I'm nervous because I have to speak in public.
William, are you ready for your speech?
I'm nervous. I don't like speaking in front of many people.
Don't worry, you'll do great. Number 5, I'm angry. Sometimes we feel strong negative emotions like anger. Then you can say, I'm angry.
You can also say, I'm angry because, and explain.
Example, I'm angry because someone broke my phone.
Or, I'm angry about the bad service at the restaurant.
Sophia, what happened?
I'm angry. The bus was 40 minutes late.
Oh no, I would be angry too. Practice tip. Try saying each of these sentences out loud right now. Repeat after us. I'm happy today. I feel sad. I'm excited about my trip. I'm nervous. I'm angry.
Great job! You already know 5 ways to talk about your feelings in English.
No 6. I'm tired. Let's move to a very common feeling, tired. If you have worked a lot, studied for hours, or walked a long distance, you can say, I'm tired.
You can make it stronger by saying, I'm really tired. Or softer by saying, I'm a little tired.
Example, I'm tired after cleaning the whole house.
Or, I'm tired because I didn't sleep well last night.
Hey, William, you look sleepy. Are you okay?
I'm tired. I stayed up late watching a movie.
You should rest a little. Sleep is important.
Number 7. I feel bored. Another common feeling is bored. You use it when nothing is interesting and time feels slow.
You can say, I feel bored or I'm bored. Both are correct.
Example, I feel bored because I have nothing to do.
Or, I'm bored during this long meeting.
What are you doing, Sophia?
Nothing much. I feel bored today.
Let's play a game or go for a walk.
Great idea. Laugh. Number 8. I'm surprised. Now, what if something Number 11. I feel relaxed.
Now let's talk about a very nice feeling, relaxed. You feel relaxed when you are calm, peaceful, and stress-free. You can say, I feel relaxed. It's often used after finishing work, during vacation, or after doing something you enjoy.
Example, I feel relaxed after taking a long bath.
Or, I feel relaxed when I listen to music.
Sophia, what are you doing this weekend?
Nothing much. I just want to stay home and feel relaxed.
That sounds perfect. Rest is important too. Number 12. I'm scared. Another strong emotion is fear. When you feel afraid, say, I'm scared.
You can also say, I'm scared of, and add the thing that scares you.
Example, I'm scared of spiders.
Or, I'm scared because it's dark outside.
William, why don't you want to watch that movie?
I'm scared. It's a horror film, and I don't like scary movies.
Okay, let's watch something funny instead.
Number 13. I feel proud. Now, a positive and powerful feeling, proud. You feel proud when you or someone you care about does something good. You can say, I feel proud, or I feel proud of someone or something.
Example, I feel proud of my sister for graduating.
Or, I feel proud because I learned 100 new English words.
Guess what? I got the highest score in my class.
Wow, I feel proud of you, William. That's amazing.
Thank you. I studied hard for it.
Number 14. I'm disappointed. Sometimes things don't go as we hope. That feeling is called disappointed.
You say, I'm disappointed. It means you expected something better.
Example, I'm disappointed because the event was canceled.
Or, I'm disappointed with my test result.
How was the concert yesterday?
Honestly, I'm disappointed. The sound was bad and it started very late.
Oh, that's too bad. Maybe next time it will be better.
Number 15. I feel grateful. And finally, let's learn a very positive feeling, grateful. It means you feel thankful for someone or something.
You can say, I feel grateful, or I'm grateful for something specific.
Example, I feel grateful for my family.
Or, I'm grateful because you helped me learn English.
Sophia, thank you for teaching me English every week.
Oh, you're welcome.
I feel grateful. You make learning fun and easy.
That's the best thing a teacher can hear.
Recap all 15 sentences.
Great job, everyone. Let's quickly review all 15 simple sentences you learned today. I'm happy today. I feel sad. I'm excited about. I'm nervous. I'm angry. I'm tired. I feel bored. I'm surprised. I feel lonely. I'm confused. I feel relaxed. I'm scared. I feel proud. I'm disappointed. I feel grateful. Okay, practice tips. How to master these sentences. Now that you know these sentences, how can you remember and use them? Here are a few simple tips. 1. Speak them aloud every day. Choose 3-4 sentences and say them in front of a mirror. For example, I'm excited about the weekend. I feel tired after work. 2. Write short diary sentences. At the end of the day, write 2 or 3 sentences about how you felt. Example, I felt proud because I finished my homework. 3. Practice with a friend. Ask and answer questions about feelings. How do you feel today? I feel relaxed because it's Sunday. 4. Listen and notice. Watch English shows, YouTube videos, or movies. Listen carefully to how native speakers talk about feelings. 5. Comment below. Write a sentence about your feelings right now. We'll read and reply to as many comments as we can.
Wow, you did an amazing job today. You now know 15 powerful sentences to talk about your feelings in English.
Yes, and this is so important because when you can express your feelings clearly, people understand you better and your conversations become more natural and real.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Every small step you take makes you stronger. Don't worry about mistakes. They are part of learning.
Absolutely. Keep practicing these sentences every day, and soon you'll speak with more confidence and clarity.
If you liked this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Professor, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And tell us in the comments, how do you feel today? We'd love to hear your sentences.
Until next time, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye for now.